Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Claude Code with Visual Studio. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Before getting started, make sure that both Visual Studio Code and Claude are already installed on your computer. Once everything is installed, open Visual Studio Code and navigate to the extensions section from the sidebar. In the search box, type Claude Code and wait for the available extensions to appear. When the results load, you'll see different options. Choose the extension provided by Anthropic and click the Install button to begin the installation process. If you'd like, you can also enable automatic updates so the extension stays up to date without requiring manual updates in the future. After the installation is finished, the extension should become active automatically. If it doesn't, you may need to restart Visual Studio Code. Once enabled, you can access Claude Code directly from the VS Code interface. It should appear alongside the other tools and panels available within the editor. From there, you can open Claude Code and start using its features inside Visual Studio Code. But for that, you should have Claude Code subscription. And that's it! So that's basically how you can use Claude Code with Visual Studio. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.